In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the self-weighing mechanism. To adjust seat height, press up on the lever located on the right side of the chair. Use your body weight to lower the seat, or lift your weight off the seat to raise it. Pulling up on the second lever on the right side of the seat allows you to slide the seat forward or backward. Release the lever at your desired depth position. The lever on the left side of the chair adjusts the backrest angle. Pull the lever back to unlock and lean back or forward to your desired position. Pushing the lever forward will lock it again. This mechanism self-adjusts the tilt resistance automatically to the weight of the person and offers 4 locking positions. And that is it for the self-weighing mechanism.